1969 Oldsmobile 442 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Rebuilt 400 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic. Automatic to be exact. Crimson paint code 52, white vinyl roof. 935 trim, so red interior. Great looking color combination. Let's take a peek at this chrome bumper, headlight surrounds, grille, of course the iconic 442 front end. Now, if you want to take your time looking through the still pictures of this car, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the Oldsmobile Rally wheels, 442 center caps. Yes, this one looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and the videos. Of course, the white deck stripes really highlighting that white vinyl top. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see how nice and straight all these panels are. Not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, vinyl interior, bucket seats up front, center console. There's an aftermarket Pioneer stereo. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little bit closer, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and we will take this car for a drive. Jason will take her down the road, show you how it drives out. But first, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome on the rear of this car. Dual exhaust. And again, you can see the paint shows nicely on the rear deck lid. Does have new intake and valve cover gaskets. Newer paint, true dual exhaust all the way to the rear of the car. 323 rear gears with posi. Front end also recently gone through. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like this body style, maybe like Chevelle's 442s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, these vehicles that you see in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. And you can see the driver's side of this car. That paint practically looks like it's wet. And yes, it is also free of any major nicks, dings, scratches on this driver's side. You can also see that that vinyl roof is in nice shape. And interior seat belts intact. This one will turn some heads, folks, no doubt about that. Be a fun one for your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Always a popular body style. And you can see really not much wear on these seats at all. Of course, there's two seat belts on that side because you would have your shoulder belt harness up above, and then you'd also have your lap belt down below. But really free of much wear. As you can see, center console with a shifter there. Aftermarket gauge cluster down here I want to show you real quick. It's a Pioneer stereo. I've not played around with that. Let's go ahead and see if we can fire it up. There we have power. How about a station? So stereo working. I also want to mention that there is a battery shut off, dead man switch, whatever you'd like to call it, right down here in front of the driver's seat to the right side. As you can tell, it's on, but that will click off, shut off the battery. And And then let's check out these aftermarket gauges down here. So oil pressure, see that gauge is working. Go up with the RPMs, water temp, voltmeter, and again stereo working. Top of the dash looking good. Door closes very nicely. Listen to this. Little rumble coming out of that 400. Remember, that was rebuilt. Does have roller cam and rockers in it. There's an Edelbrock ABS 4-barrel on it. And let's take a little closer look at that engine bay right now. Remember, stick around to the very end. We're taking this car for a drive. All right, underside of the hood, can get a look at that. And let's take a little closer look at this V8. So power steering, power brakes, looks like a newer master cylinder. Booster, does have an Edelbrock Performer Olds intake on it, intake manifold. Mentioned that Edelbrock carb already. Was a factory AC car. Not all the components are there anymore, as you can see. HEI ignition. Nice looking, clean, tidy engine bay, no doubt about that. Smooth runner too, and like I said, recently rebuilt. Does have roller cam and rockers in it. Nice looking car, folks. Looks good, sound good. Head turner, 1969, Oldsmobile 442, real deal. Of course, you can decode the VIN if you'd like. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the data plate in the still pictures. Check it all out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Call us 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1969 Oldsmobile 442. Very nice car with the stripes on the 442 style hood. Burgundy paint. This car started and idled really nicely right away. Everything seems tight. Suspension feels good. Nice firm shifts from that automatic transmission. Power steering working excellent. Interior and exterior looking nice. The vinyl bucket seats appear factory and they are in very good condition. Below the dash we have some digital gauges. Oil pressure is 58. Our temperature is rising and it is currently 160. And the volts are 14.4, so that all looks perfect. Blower motor works when you put it on high. Speedometer working. We have a factory clock intact. Now neither of those needles are moving. Fuel gauge is showing over half a tank. Wipers work. Pioneer stereo in the dash. That is working well. For FM, I've not tested the CD player, but it does have CD capability. Speakers in the kick panels below for better sound. This car corners really well. It doesn't lean very much, less than you would think it would. Pushing that throttle down. The kick down working well on the transmission. Very nice acceleration and a great exhaust note. This is an automatic right here on the center console, which makes it super easy to drive and more desirable because you don't have it on the column. Really smooth running, smooth riding, great to drive Oldsmobile, take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.